Welcome to Weijiang Superpower, a professional manufacturer of nickel metal hydride battery, lithium-ion battery, alkaline battery, and lithium battery packs. Our commitment to excellence has helped us become a trusted supplier for business both domestically and internationally. Our professional factory is equipped with 3 advanced production lines, operated by our skilled employees. This includes a dedicated R&D team who constantly strive to innovate and improve our battery technologies. We pride ourselves on adhering to the highest quality standards in the industry. Our batteries are ISO 9001 certified and UL listed, ensuring that our customers receive the best possible battery products and services. Our diverse range of battery products is designed to meet the needs of various industries and applications. From consumer electronics to renewable energy systems, our batteries provide reliable power and performance that you can depend on. As a global leader in battery manufacturing, our products are exported to numerous countries and regions, earning us a reputation for quality and reliability among our clients. We are committed to a sustainable future. Our dedication to research and development ensures that we are at the forefront of the renewable energy industry, providing cutting-edge battery solutions for a greener tomorrow. Thank you for choosing us as your trusted battery supplier. We look forward to powering your success and building a brighter future together.